Hi, there's been some things brewing at the background that no one is actually talking about. That is Microsoft having some stake in OpenAI over the years. It's been there, but everyone has been turning a blind eye. But today we'll begin to see the reality of how Microsoft and OpenAI are beginning to team up to build something super. So yesterday we had this update coming up. Microsoft and OpenAI have come together to build the same type of tool doing several things. For those of you who use Enterprise, Microsoft Copilot, and those of you who have seen ChatGPT, this time there's a merger coming in, and this time what you can see here is Microsoft in and Copilot, Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT working together. A whole lot of things that's happening right now, and I'm going to take you through some of these things now. Okay, just a quick sneak peek for you to understand what is really happening over here in terms of how Microsoft has teamed up with OpenAI to get this up and running. I'm just going to walk you through some of the things that we have seen. So first off, if you are a Microsoft Copilot user, now you'll also be able to use the reasoning model just like the way you use the ChatGPT 5. Yeah. And at the same time, you're able to create podcast on able to create podcast on the Copilot right now, unlike the way it was before, that you will have to do it probably on like the Google notebook. But now you can do all of that here. You can create your own your own podcast by yourself, like a TV drama or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. You're also able to do stuff like create your image and your videos on Microsoft Copilot right now. You can create your image and your video all and get type of image and videos that you want. You're able to just write a simple prompt in Microsoft Copilot and come up with the kind of videos that you want. Similar type of videos that you will see on the um, ChatGPT, DAL-E, and the rest. At the same time, what they've also done is giving you the power for you to be able to use AI to be able to protect your computer or your browser from some form of attacks and malware. So right now, AI is able to scan your system and help you out with this, especially if you're using some of your browser like the Microsoft Edge. Other things that they've introduced is the whole ability to do a whole lot of things like AI helping you to set up your picture in picture display of how your browser is going to look, your tab, your in terms you want in case you want to go on gaming, and also for Copilot, all of that is been added in here. Um, so that's new from what we've seen in the new updates happening in the AI world. I know some of you are still trying to figure out why is this merger happening. It has long been coming. We've seen that this partnership has been silent, but now it's coming to the forefront. I hope to see more mergers like this in the future. See you on the next one. Bye.